What is up everyone, welcome to Team WS channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix Realme C12 or Realme C15 speaker not working problem or sound problem. So before starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. So to fix speaker not working or sound problem in Realme C12 or C15, simply first of all you just need to go to settings. So first just open settings application and go to advanced setting and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.